In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the version details of your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This is an important task, especially when you're trying to ensure compatibility with add-ons or features, or simply want to stay up to date with the latest updates and fixes. So let's get into it. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation file. Now, this could be either an existing file you've been working on or a new file. It really doesn't matter because we're only focusing on accessing certain information about the application itself, not the contents of the file. Once you've got it open in front of you, your attention should inevitably turn to the top left corner of the screen. Here you'll find the File tab, which is essentially the gateway to many backend controls and settings in PowerPoint. So go ahead and click on File. Once you've clicked the File tab, you'll be met with a sidebar full of different options. It's quite similar to the control center of your PowerPoint application. You're going to want to navigate down to the lower portion of this sidebar where you will find the Account option. Clicking on Account will open up a new section of the PowerPoint menu. This area is home to a variety of information related to your PowerPoint application, including your user details, subscription info, and more. Now focus on finding the section labeled About PowerPoint. When you click on this, it will expand to reveal details about your version of Microsoft PowerPoint. This includes the version number, build number, and sometimes other bits of technical data that can help you understand what version of PowerPoint you're working with. This is a crucial step, especially if you're troubleshooting or if you're trying to access certain features that might only be available in specific versions. And just like that, you're done. It's a straightforward and quick process, but knowing exactly where to click saves you time and ensures you're always informed about your software, which is key in today's fast-paced, tech-driven world. Keeping abreast of these details can enhance your ability to troubleshoot, update, or communicate any issues with tech support should the need arise in the future. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any more related questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time.